Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing clean audio now. Use a directional mic in a quiet room and set 44. 1K HZ or 48K HZ. This preserves fidelity for transcription. Record a short test clip, listen for clipping, and keep peaks under -6 dB so automatic tools don't misread phonemes. Once done, export as WAV or FLAC and create a small glossary of domain terms and names to guide translation. Make sure to note the source language and your precise target dialect before proceeding. Next, you transcribe the audio using a reliable ASR system or a local model if privacy matters. Don't trust the raw output. Edit the transcript for misheard words and apply your glossary to correct names and technical terms. Once done, create timestamps at regular intervals, typically every 5 to 10 seconds, so translated text aligns with speech. Export the clean transcript as time-coded subtitles or JSON. This alignment step ensures the translation maps back to the original audio precisely. Finally, you translate the edited transcript using machine translation, then post-edit for natural phrasing and cultural nuance. Once the translation reads well, synthesize speech with a TTS voice that matches the original tone and adjust prosody so pauses and emphasis mirror the source. Make sure to stretch or compress speech slightly to fit timestamps without sounding robotic. Export the dubbed track or integrate it into the original video. Troubleshooting tip: if sync drifts, recheck timestamps and adjust small timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.